How to change iCloud password. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change iCloud password. So if you want to learn how it's done, watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do this, let's head over to our settings. So once we're in there, just click on your iCloud right here. And once you're in there, you can see this password and security. So just click on that, and then this right here will load for a while. Then after it's done loading, you can see in here the first option is this change password in the blue lines. So just click on this change password right here. And then as you can see, I can just enter my iPhone passcode because my passcode or this iPhone can be used to change my password because I am signed into iCloud and have passcode enabled. So I can just enter in here my passcode. So this will load for a while, just wait for it. And as you can see, I can now easily change my password even though I forgot my password or anything like that. So just enter in here the password that you want to add. So for example, I want to change my password into this and then add in some numbers. And then I just need to verify or retype it again like this, and then after that click on this change right here, and your change must be implemented in just a few moments. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change iCloud password. So if you have questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below, and if not, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks.